woman that hails from a place wherein we celebrate the Majing Ganggang Festival of the Philippines from the municipality of Santa Ana, province of Pampanga. I am a proud psychology major, graduate from the National Teachers College, a recruitment specialist by profession, a runway model by passion, and tonight, I am your newest and brightest rising star, pageant sensation. Opo, bakit hindi niyo po ako kilalanin? Ako po ang nag-iisang Morena Goddess. Call me Joan Crisostomo de los Reyes Lopez. Once again, this is your Morena Goddess, Joan Crisostomo de los Reyes Lopez, your candidate number 5, saying, sit back and relax, because this baby girl will set the stage on fire! Nakalpong salamat and enjoy the show. Diba?